Oh, this is my personal best pinfish.
Look at those colors. Nice. Oh, that's a big one, Aiden.
Oh.
It's right there. Bring it in.
No.
Bring it.
It's an eye for eye. Everyone that you are in the dead of night.
Oh, come on, it's Mr. Good One. Amy! So welcome back here for another video. So today, we came out here to Red Reef Park. So no, we usually come here to do some snorkeling, but today the snorkeling conditions are not the best. So instead, we came over here and we're gonna do some fishing on the other side of the park. We got tons of little exotic fish down there, and we're just gonna pretty much see where we can catch, and then we're gonna head down to the beach. So let's get started.
Yo, so we got a visitor here. We got Pelican George over here. How you doing, Pelican George? Catch any fish yet? Look at this guy. He's just waiting to eat your fish.
Yep. I want that shrimp.
That shrimp.
Down again. Oh yeah, what is it? See it? Oh no. We got one.
What you got? What you got?
Oh, new species. Let's go. Yellowtail snapper.
Oh.
What? Oh, I got someone else's hook here.
Yeah, you got a visitor. Right behind you.
Uh-oh.
There goes
He wants my yellowtail snapper.
Pelican George. What is that?
A yellowtail snapper. I've never caught one of these before.
What kind of bird is that?
Oh, that's a pelican.
That's a oh, so I was right. Pelican. Pelican George. You want to eat that bad boy you got in your hand?
Yep. Stick this hook out. Almost got it.
Let's see.
I have never caught this before. This is a new species right here. New lifer.
Oh wow, look at that. Let me see the colors. Look at those colors. Nice.
Yellowtail snapper. I got another check. This is a new species.
Look at the color on that
make
guy.
pics of this one.
You see? That is nice. Wow. Look at that.
Absolute beauty. These species, yellowtail snapper, you're not gonna eat it.
Chuck him way out there so this way you don't eat him. Oh! He dived.
Ah, he missed him.
He missed him.
He didn't get it.
No, he didn't get it.
That's one, that snap.
That's Pelican George standing by for a meal.
Oh, we got one.
Oh, what you got? What is that?
Oh boy, this is gonna be hard to tell.
What is that? What is that?
Either it's a tomte or a sailor's choice.
Is it?
If it's a sailor's choice, I never caught one of these before.
How you know if it's gonna be?
Generally, I don't know. I think this is a sailor's choice. But I have to double check online. But I'm pretty sure this is just a sailor's choice, which is a new species if it is. I've never caught a sailor's choice before.
All right.
Which means we're at two new species. Oh, listen to the sound.
What's that sound?
It's a sound they make when they're like a defense mechanism to scare its prey, kind of. And that's what they call grunt, because it's making a little grunting sound. Look, it's talking.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Alright, so let's de-hook this guy. Nine new species for the day. And this pelican wants it, so we gotta make sure we
Pelican George standing by for a meal. Remember, fake it like you're throwing it that way, but then throw it in the opposite direction.
Alright.
Psych him out. No. Oh, man. Slow on that one. All right, so we're going back to that. What is it? Mora?
I got gloves on because they're real slimy fish and they have teeth.
So what, there's two openings?
Yeah.
One inside there again.
Oh, I think you got it.
Hmm?
You got it?
I don't know. There's tension on your thing, isn't it?
No, he didn't get it. He's staring it down though. Oh, I think I got him. I think I got him there. Get right. Get right. You saw me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got him.
You what?
I got him. He's going in there. He's going in the hole. He's going in the hole.
So you gotta walk back.
He's going in the hole. Oh, yeah, he's going in. I got him. He's going in.
You gotta walk back.
Okay, I got him. Straight one.
Huh?
Straight one.
He's shaking it?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Shoot this. This is something drag. Okay, he's coming.
This is a Mora eel? Think it's a big one?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you got him. I see him. I see him. Oh, you gotta walk back. Walk back. Walk back. Walk back. Walk back. Oh, he's. Oh yeah, he's coming. Walk back. Keep walking back. Keep walking back. Keep walking back. There he goes. Keep walking back. Keep walking back. Oh, that's a big one, Aiden.
Oh!
Oh, he went back inside.
It's not. Running back down again. Okay, we got him.
What you got?
What's this?
What's this guy?
Oh, new species again. New species again. French
What is it?
crawn.
So what?
French crawn. I've never caught these before.
Let me see.
Either. New species. Oh, that pelican's gone.
I'm just gonna take a picture of him real quick. Oh. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
This is good bait. We can use this.
Trying not to get the shadow.
Alright, so we use this guy's bait. This is a good live bait right here, too. So, get this guy out. Throw him back down. Yeah. Oh, we got him.
What you got there? Look at that.
Let's see. Oh, this is my personal best pinfish.
Oh wow, let me see.
Yo, this is my best pinfish. Look at that.
Let me see that guy.
I never caught a pinfish this big before. Look at that.
Let me see, let me see, let me see. Let me see that. Nice.
That's my personal best right there. He's a good 8 inches. Look at that.
Nice.
I mean, it's not a big fish, but for pinfish, this is pretty big. You don't
Nice.
find them too big is awesome. Look at that.
Look at that guy.
And remember, if you guys remember the black shark video we did, I caught one of these.
Alright.
And this is out here pure saltwater. So that's real cool. So
That was the one?
let's go drop this guy back
Yeah,
down.
it's chocolate. Nice, nice, nice. See you later.
Alright, starting it. We're gonna go back there again. See what the heck is down there.
There it goes again.
There we go. We got him this time.
Oh.
Oh, it's a mangrove snapper.
What is it?
Mangrove snapper.
Let me see that guy. All right, here comes Pelican George. Pelican George looking for a meal.
Oh, this guy got. This guy got a little bit of hook. Look
Let me
at
see,
that.
let me see, let me see. Wait. Wait. All right.
Right down. Let's see what we can get.
The same dark ones.
Oh, wait, we got one.
What you
Oh,
got?
we got Sergeant Major.
Oh, finally got a Sergeant Major. Let me see. Wow, nice. Nice Sergeant Major. Nice Sergeant Major. Nice Sergeant Major. Nice, you're gonna grab it right out of your hands.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab her and release this guy.
Oh, I didn't get a good picture. All right, hurry up.
that hard to measure. Oh, that. That's not the bird.
All right, let's see.
That's not the bird.
Let's see. What is it? What is it? Bring it in.
That's the hook that goes on it.
What? Bring it in. Start walking back. Bring it in. Start walking back. Bring it in. It's right there. Bring it in. Bring it in. Put some tension on it. 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 You're gonna run into the other pole. You're gonna run into the other pole. You're gonna end up losing it. You're playing with it. You're playing with it too much. Put some tension in it.
Oh, I think I see it. Oh, it's a stingray.
So what?
I think it's a stingray.
I don't know what it is.
Yeah, I think it's a stingray.
Walk it back this way.
I see it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a stingray.
Are you gonna?
Oh, yeah, it is.
Oh, you don't want that plate.
Right. We should bring it out.
Whoa. You gotta put some tension on it. Okay? Yep.
You got it?
Where is it? There it goes.
You got it?
Wait. Alright.
Alright, everybody move. It's a stingray. Oh, it's real heavy. Alright. Move back. Move back. Alright, flip it. On the side.
Watch the tail, Pop.
Yeah. We gotta try it.
Be careful with the tail.
Okay, there we go. Alright, take a picture. Where's it?
Bye.
I just want to really quickly talk about something. So, we if you're wondering why we cut the footage, whether because nothing happened to the stinger, it's just that it had stingers, so we had to just focus on time on keeping ourselves safe and also releasing the fish safely, which we also took the hook out of his mouth. And you want to, why didn't you film it through your GoPro? Well, my GoPro during that time, because the most inconvenient timing ever, it just stopped working. So yeah, don't worry, guys, it lived and went fine. So yeah, just want to let you guys know that. Alright guys, so as you saw, we caught that big stingray. It was I think it was a southern stingray, but I got the bugs for it, so we gotta see. Then we went to the beach, we got some nice cool shots over there, had a good time in the water. So we caught a whole bunch of different types of stuff today too, garons, sergeant major, snapper species, and a whole bunch of new species that I got also hit the bugs to check. So yeah, look at this beautiful view out here. Palm trees, the bay, boat, mangroves, the mansions. Look at it. So beautiful. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please guys subscribe to learn this one. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.